I'm David Miller at the law firm of McCulloch Miller. At McCulloch Miller, we have over 60 years of legal experience and specialize in estate planning, probate, and elder law. Hello. Usually when I do these videos, I'm here to talk about something related to estate planning or probate. But today I'd like to do something a little different and talk about picking an attorney. An attorney-client relationship is an extremely important relationship. Picking the right attorney can help save you money, it can help with your business, it can even keep you out of jail in some circumstances. So picking an attorney should be done very deliberately with a lot of thought and care and due diligence. When you're picking an attorney, there are three main things you need to think about. The first is trust, second is competency, and the third is price. And I'd like to talk a little bit about each of those. The most important part of picking an attorney is trust. The attorney-client relationship is completely built on a relationship of trust. You must be comfortable telling your attorney things that might be uncomfortable or embarrassing. You have to trust that your attorney has your best interest at heart. And you have to take your attorney's advice and trust what they're telling you. It's also a two-way street. Your attorney has to trust you. They have to trust that you are being open and honest with them and that you will be listening to them and will be taking their advice. Now, just because you trust each other does not mean you have to be best friends, but if you have a relationship where there is not equal amount of trust or there's a lot of discord, it's just not going to be a very effective relationship. The next area is competency. All lawyers have a base level of competency. They take a bar exam and have a general knowledge of the law. But in reality, lawyers specialize. I specialize in estate planning, probate, and securities litigation. If someone came to me with a criminal matter, I probably wouldn't be much more helpful than someone who just watched Law and Order all the time. But this goes back to trust. You have to trust that your attorney either knows what they're doing or knows when something is not in their specialty and they need to refer that out and then can refer them out to someone who they trust to be competent in that matter. A final consideration is price. Nobody likes legal fees. Even as an attorney, I wouldn't want to pay legal fees, but sometimes they're unavoidable. So when picking an attorney, it is important to factor in price. But keep in mind, some attorneys charge very, very little but really don't necessarily know what they're doing or not necessarily competent. Other attorneys actually do overcharge. So it's important to trust your attorney and to do a lot of due diligence to figure out what is a standard attorney in this area charge, and is this attorney giving me a fair quote? You also want to look at other sort of fee arrangements. Some attorneys, like our firm, does everything on a flat fee basis. Some attorneys can do things on a contingency fee basis. Some will allow you to pay over time. Also, sometimes there's insurance products that can help you pay for some of the attorney's fees. Or if you're in a litigation matter, maybe there's an avenue to get attorney's fees paid through the litigation matter. But again, if you trust your attorney, this is the thing your attorney should tell you, and you should know what to expect in fees. I hope this has been helpful for you. And if you're looking for an attorney to help you with an estate planning, probate, or securities litigation matter, please come and talk with us and we can tell you what that attorney-client relationship would look like.